So today didn't go to plan. We went to the track. It was closed, which is a bit of a bummer. But we made do with the situation and went to another track, but with electric karts instead. So a little bit of a different experience, more fun, just clowning around, a lot of bumps and bruises, but all in all, good time. No lap records or anything. Dylan did beat me, which was quite annoying, but you know, all fun, all good. So hopefully you enjoy the footage, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB who we running with, 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again, state your name, been dope on flame, I just switched the lanes, damn he did it again, I just flipped the pain, stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming. Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB who we running with, 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again. Pump up the action, I'm active. If he never heard of it, dope, he just napping. Jackson's off the rapping. Keep it on my body, bitch, I'm broke if you asking. Don't gotta sell the most, Cialis flawless. Broken whistles longer than it's boring. Heard you want it cause the yams enormous. What's it? Tigi is a gorgeous. Live my life, last name of Morgan Freeman. Trying to touch a forest. Do not know when knocking on the door is. Came in, did it like the Porsches. Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB who we running with, 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again. Okay, alright. Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB who we running with, 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10, 10, 10,